Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for a croton plant. First, ensure your croton receives ample bright, indirect light to maintain its stunning leaf colors. Avoid direct, harsh sunlight which can scorch the leaves. Next, focus on consistent watering. Feel the soil. When the top 1 inch feels dry, it's time to water thoroughly. Finally, keep your plant in a warm environment, ideally between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent shock. Crotons absolutely love bright light, so position yours near a south or west-facing window where it can soak up plenty of indirect sun. This helps those beautiful colors really pop. When it comes to watering, be generous but careful. Water until you see it draining from the bottom of the pot, then make sure to empty any standing water from the saucer. During the cooler months, you can ease up on watering a bit. Crotons appreciate high humidity, so consider placing your plant on a pebble tray filled with water or misting its leaves a few times a week. This helps prevent dry leaf edges. During the active growing season, typically spring and summer, feed your croton every 2 to 4 weeks. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, but remember to dilute it to half strength to avoid over-fertilizing and potential root burn. To keep your croton looking its best, prune any leggy stems to encourage a fuller, bushier plant. Always use clean, sharp shears for a clean cut. Also, regularly check the undersides of leaves for common pests such as spider mites or mealybugs. Early detection is key for effective treatment. And speaking of staying healthy, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.